Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood furniture and wood decor pieces ideas you can use for a modern home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Have you ever wondered why wood continues to be a favored material in modern home decor, even amidst the rise of synthetic alternatives and contemporary design trends? The answer is deeply rooted in wood's unique qualities, versatility, and the emotional connections it fosters in our living spaces. Utilizing wood in home decor provides a myriad of benefits, enhancing not only the aesthetic appeal of a home, but also contributing to a healthier environment, promoting sustainability, and creating a warm, inviting atmosphere that makes a house truly feel like a home. One of the most compelling reasons to incorporate wood into modern home decor is its timeless beauty. Wood boasts a natural elegance that few materials can rival. Each piece of wood showcases distinct grain patterns, textures, and colors, which provide uniqueness to every item crafted from it. This organic beauty adds depth and warmth to interiors, creating spaces that feel inviting and comfortable. Whether in the form of furniture, accent pieces, or wall paneling, wood offers a natural aesthetic that seamlessly integrates with various design styles, from rustic to contemporary. This versatility enables homeowners to express their individual tastes while ensuring their spaces remain stylish and relevant over time. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to its aesthetic value, wood has practical benefits that further solidify its place in modern home decor. Wood is known for its durability and longevity, making it an excellent investment for furniture and fixtures. High-quality wood products can withstand the test of time, often outlasting synthetic alternatives that may degrade or wear down more quickly. The resilience of wood allows it to serve various functions in a home, from structural elements to decorative accents. By choosing wood for key decor items, homeowners are more likely to enjoy their pieces for many years, ensuring that their investments bear fruit. Moreover, wood contributes to a healthier indoor environment. Unlike synthetic materials, which can release volatile organic compounds, VCs, and other harmful substances into the air, wood is a natural material that poses minimal health risks when sourced responsibly. Wood products can help improve indoor air quality by absorbing excess humidity, thus regulating moisture levels in the home. This natural humidity control helps to prevent the growth of mold and mildew, which can contribute to respiratory issues. Consequently, incorporating wood into home decor creates a healthier living space for occupants, fostering well-being and comfort. Sustainability is another important consideration when discussing the benefits of wood in home decor. As more people become aware of environmental issues and the importance of sustainable living, wood has emerged as a prime choice for eco-conscious consumers. Unlike plastic and other synthetic materials, wood is a renewable resource. When sourced from sustainably managed forests, it aligns with principles of responsible forestry. These practices ensure that wood is harvested in a manner that protects ecosystems, preserves biodiversity, and supports local communities. By opting for wood, homeowners can contribute to sustainable practices while enjoying the beauty and functionality that the material offers. The rich cultural and emotional significance of wood further enhances its appeal as a decor choice. Wood has been used for centuries across various cultures for both functional and decorative purposes. This historical connection fosters a sense of continuity and nostalgia within modern home spaces. When homeowners choose wood decor, they are tapping into a legacy that transcends time, creating a deeper emotional resonance with their surroundings. The tactile nature of wood invites touch and interaction, engaging occupants in their environments and promoting a sense of well-being. Incorporating wood into home decor can also enhance the acoustics of a space. Wood is known for its ability to absorb sound, reducing echoes and creating a more comfortable auditory environment. This is particularly beneficial in open-concept living spaces, where sound can travel easily and become distracting. By using wood in flooring, furniture, and wall treatments, homeowners can create harmonious acoustic experiences that improve the overall comfort of their homes. This consideration of sound quality reflects a growing awareness of the multifaceted nature of home design, as people recognize the importance of sensory experiences in their living spaces. Additionally, wood is a highly versatile material that can adapt to various design trends and themes. While some homeowners may lean toward minimalism, others may be drawn to bohemian or industrial styles. Wood can bridge these diverse aesthetics, allowing for seamless integration into any decor scheme. From sleek walnut furniture to reclaimed barnwood accent walls, the adaptability of wood ensures that it remains relevant in ever-changing design landscapes. This versatility empowers homeowners to experiment with different styles while maintaining a sense of cohesiveness in their interiors. Beyond aesthetics and practical benefits, utilizing wood in modern home decor fosters creativity and craftsmanship. Many homeowners choose to engage in DIY projects using wood, allowing them to explore their creative potential and personalize their spaces. From crafting custom furniture to building decorative shelves, these projects provide an avenue for self-expression while enhancing one's connection to their home. Engaging in woodworking activities can be a meditative process, offering a productive escape while cultivating a sense of pride in one's handiwork. Incorporating wood in home decor can also serve as a conversation starter. Unique wooden pieces, whether handcrafted or thoughtfully selected, naturally invite admiration and curiosity. Visitors may find themselves drawn to the details of a particularly striking coffee table or a beautifully finished wooden art piece. The stories behind these items, their origins, the craftsmanship involved, or the inspiration behind their design can spark meaningful dialogues. This social interaction adds a layer of richness to the experience of being in a home, reinforcing connections among family members and guests alike. Moreover, wood is a timeless choice that transcends fleeting design trends. While certain materials may fall out of favor, wood's enduring appeal ensures its continued relevance in home decor. Trends may come and go, but the beauty and functionality of hardwood remain constants that resonate across generations. By investing in wooden decor, homeowners can create spaces that age gracefully, allowing their interiors to evolve without becoming outdated. This timelessness contributes to a sustainable approach to decorating, as it encourages people to choose quality pieces that can adapt to changing tastes and styles. Another significant benefit of utilizing wood in home decor is its contribution to a sense of warmth and comfort. The natural tones and textures of wood can evoke feelings of tranquility and relaxation, which are essential in creating welcoming environments. Wood can soften the harshness of synthetic materials and create a visually appealing balance in a space. This comforting ambience can enhance the overall experience of being at home, promoting restfulness and well-being. As people increasingly seek refuge in their homes, the warmth of wood becomes a key component of a nurturing atmosphere. Furthermore, wood's role in modern home decor extends to outdoor spaces, providing seamless transitions between indoor and outdoor environments. Wooden decks, patios, and furniture pieces create a harmonious flow, allowing homeowners to extend their living areas into nature. This connection with the outdoors nourishes a sense of serenity and encourages outdoor living, which is valuable for both mental and physical health. By integrating wood into both indoor and outdoor spaces, homeowners can cultivate environments that celebrate nature's beauty and promote a relaxed lifestyle. The tactile quality of wood also plays a crucial role in the sensory experience within the home. Unlike cold, hard surfaces, wood offers a warmth that invites interaction. The grain patterns, textures, and natural variations of wood make it a sensory delight, encouraging occupants to engage with their environment on a more intimate level. This tactile engagement fosters a deeper appreciation for the craftsmanship and artistry behind wooden items, enhancing the emotional connection that individuals feel toward their home. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wood decor pieces ideas you can use for a modern home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.